Okay, Alec Peirce at the ranch with another great idea. This is not my idea, it's a good one though. I have a wheelbarrow. Raise your hands if you don't have a wheelbarrow. If you live on a ranch or a farm or even a big, oh yeah, everybody has a wheelbarrow. And we use the wheelbarrow, not a lot because we have the ATV and little wagons and so on for hauling stuff around, but we do use the wheelbarrow whenever we're doing cement work. This is a cement type wheelbarrow. Just come down here, Diana. People will recognize this. We use this to mix small amounts of cement or a mortar. If you just need a little bit of cement, or to transport cement from a cement truck, I guess, to the job. So this is pretty typical. I've had this for a long time, probably 30 years. And I go into the local Home Depot, they have the same one still for sale. It's a good one. Steel, wood, like that. I wanted to get it up off the ground, so I was going to make a bracket for it to hang it up. That's hard to do. I was trying to figure out how I can make something to stick through there, or hook onto this and get it up in here, keep it off the ground. And I looked at several things. I was going to buy a couple of big hooks. They weren't exactly right. I was going to get some rebar and weld up a perfect thing for myself, give it a coat of paint, you know how I do things, and make it perfect. And then I'm walking through, I think it was Home Hardware, anyway, someplace the other day. I'm walking through and looking for hooks and just getting ideas, and I see this thing is hanging, heavy duty steel wheelbarrow holder. Heavy duty steel wheelbarrow holder. And I tell you, there's a picture on the front with my wheelbarrow on it, right there. And I look at it, there's two metal brackets. There are a couple of hooks. And then a funny thing at the top, and you screw this to the wall, and you put the wheelbarrow, it's up off the ground, and 19 bucks. I'm a hero. So I buy the darn thing, I bring it home, I kept the package, because if it doesn't work, back it goes. I brought it home. Watch this. You take the one bracket, two screws right there. And the other funny bracket, this bracket's got a spring-loaded piece on it, you see? Two screws, right up, has to be exactly the right distance. You got to measure your wheelbarrow, make it exactly the right distance. Watch this. This is a heavy wheelbarrow. It's heavy for me anyway, I'm older. And I used to pick this up with one hand, but not anymore. So you bring your wheelbarrow back after you washed it, you put it down here, you see that? And then you simply pick up the bottom edge like so, and set it on the bottom bracket. Like so. You grab your two handles, like so. That'll let you sit there for a second, like so. You bring it up this, like so. You like that, like so, like so. You go like that, like so, and you go get a drink. I love it, I absolutely love it. You want to take it down, you reach up, you flip that spring-loaded piece up, and the wheelbarrow comes down. I don't know. I tried to find these on Amazon and other places and didn't find them, but they must be there somewhere. So there you go, guys. If you had a wheelbarrow or a whole bunch of wheelbarrows at 19 bucks a piece, there you go. Your wheelbarrow is stored in good shape, up off the ground. There you go. Good for another 30 years. I guess I'll give it to my grandson. Anyway, there you go, guys. A great idea for hanging your wheelbarrow. Talk to you soon. Alec Peirce at the ranch, going for that drink now.